In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Fritz Wi-Fi repeater using web interface method. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug in repeater to power. First, make sure your Fritz Wi-Fi repeater is connected to power and turned on. Step 2. Connect your mobile or laptop. Connect your computer or smartphone to the Fritz repeater's Wi-Fi network or using LAN cable. Next, open your web browser and enter http://fritz.repeater in the address bar. If that doesn't open the login page, enter the repeater's IP address printed on the sticker. You'll get repeater login page. Enter repeater's password and press login button. Once you're logged in, click System from the left-hand menu. Under System, go to Reset option. Then go to Factory Settings tab. Click Load Factory Settings. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK or Confirm to start the reset process. The repeater will restart automatically. This may take a few minutes. After the restart, your Fritz Wi-Fi repeater will be restored to its factory default settings. That's it. Your Fritz Wi-Fi repeater has now been successfully reset to its factory settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.